Yummy.
It's yummy. Okay, I think we're gonna take this, guys, because cancer is true. So I'm vorvaya, now.
I go for a bite.
You vorvay me. And then in here, I think we'll come. Like, we're gonna need a Christmas tree right now. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
No, incorrect pin.
Hi, boo.
Ayenzeni. Uhamba ushitha nama-video lapho.
Hey, YouTube content.
Yo.
Thank you. You think, Ligay?
2 street rice, 2 chips, and then 2 mini loaves.
2 cokes.
2 body go.
Yeah.
Chefs these days.
Dira.
Malewala.
Thank you. Sorry. Did you guys put salt? Because lately I've been experiencing
I
no
did put
salt. Okay. All right. Please. Thank you.
I'm telling you that.
So guys, we are back from KFC and that other store. So this is what we bought. Let's just quickly unbox. This is the name of the store. Top One, I think that's the name. Imo Jackal Creek corner. So let me show you. So this is what I wanted, but I actually wanted to place the meatballs and your pinot appetizers for tomorrow's picnic for cancer. But it's 5. It comes with a lid. And then sister Gamolo happened to like Christmas. But anywho, I was gonna get these for my Instagram pops. I don't think we're ready, guys, for Instagram thingy. A smalangana flower and this. How much? This was 14 rand. This was 14 rand. I only bought one because we're gonna go get. Oh, this thing is gonna itch me. We're gonna go get a Christmas tree, but that's for my Instagram. But anyway, that's for my food content to show you now Christmas, the Christmas feeling when I take pictures. And then also this Christmas tree decorative, and then also this one. So let's see how I can incorporate this right now, because what so cancer, what's happening tomorrow?
Tomorrow is a picnic.
So banana picnic, and then baite some food, and then I was busy making pies and meatballs for them. So guys, let me show you what we made. These are the pies. I almost burned them. I almost burned them because I was busy multitasking. And then these are the meatballs, right? So because they're kids, I don't want to add anything complicated. It's just the pure spices and no sauces, nothing. And I'm tired to be making any sauce. Someone's mom will think of sauces. And yeah, I'm not load shedding. So yeah, Kanto needs to taste. You go, Gilly Gilly.
Yeah.
Yes, one meatball. Okay.
It's yummy.
This is nice.
This baby is nice.
This baby is nice. Cheers. Guys, this is nice, but it's just a bit salty. I know you love salty stuff. For me, it's a bit salty, but it's that umami salt thingy. I didn't add any salt. I've used umami spice, and if you don't have, just simply add your aromat on the normal salt. This is
You
nice.
guys have to go by.
You have to go, and you're not tasting the pie.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, it's a tasting. It seems like we're eating. Just a quick one. Okay.
Bye.
So she's testing the pie now. It's a pinwheel. Guys, she's busy chewing, like she put a whole lot in her mouth.
Yummy.
It's yummy. Okay. So you wanted to say we are closing the vlog.
It's the last vlog.
It's the last vlog.
Since you're closing the vlog. Since you're saying and that you are closing the vlog.
Yes.
And next year we are doing a new vlog.
Oh, I'm not closing for next year. I'm closing it for this vlog, this video. And please close the vlog for me.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye guys. I'll see you at the moment.
You don't know when. Okay.
Only if I come.
Okay. And they must do
Bye,
what? They must do what?
Then like and subscribe and comment.
Guys, you heard most. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.